All right, just got it today. Check it out. Put my coffee here. Put other stuff in here. My headphones. This is the most important thing, getting my headphones in here. So this is adjustable. I'm gonna show you a couple things you can do with it, but this is the best thing about it. I like about it. So putting extra stuff in there. These controllers, especially controllers. I'll put stuff that you don't want to randomly lose. All right, so it has adjustable here, so you could grab any kind of desk. This comes off. I like the silicone padding that it has in the middle. You could take this off, if you guys can see it. You could take the silicone padding and wash it. It has a grip. That's one thing I like. The coffee cups. This is normal coffee cups that we have here. They fit in perfect, slide in. I do have coffee in there, so I'm going to put it back. And adjusting is very adjustable. Very simple.